So the first exercise in his workout is a lat pull down, which is really going to help build the upper back as well as a little bit of the biceps. Lots of volume here. He had 6 sets with as many reps as 20, working all the way down to 12 reps. We're doing another big compound movement for the back, and that is a dumbbell row. And again, lots of volume here. 5 sets with as many reps as 20, working his way down to 12 reps. It looks like the next section was probably a superset with a barbell curl as well as with a push-up. Again, lots of volume here, 6 sets for 15 reps. And then right after that, he went into the push-up. Again, 6 sets with very low volume on this one, 5 reps. And then he did one last thing to isolate his biceps, which was a concentration curl, a little bit lower volume. And so he only did 3 sets of 10 reps with this.